Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix messenger bubble not showing. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your device setting and tap on app management, and now tap on messenger and tap on storage usage and tap on clear cache, and also tap on clear data and tap on clear. And after that, open your messenger and re-log in into your messenger account. And tap on done, tap on OK, and now tap on your profile photo to the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down, and then here you will get your chat heads or chat bubble option. So simply turn on this. So that's how you can fix. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.